160-degree day took care of a lot of that snow that had been laying on the ground for the better part of the last couple of weeks. A lot of thawing taking place today with that mild surge of air. Still mild outside right now, mid to upper 50s, even still some 60s on the board, and we have some rain falling in parts of the area. You can see scattering of showers. They're most widespread in their coverage across our northern tier of counties, Beaver, Lawrence, Butler County, and then a little more sparse as you get a little further south. At the moment, everyone is going to see some rain crossing the area as we head down through this evening and overnight tonight. Right now, cloudy and damp, 58 in downtown, a southeast wind at 8 miles an hour. And as we head down through tonight, temperatures are going to stay in the 50s. I think our lowest temperature tonight will be 52 degrees, and then we'll see temperatures inching higher tomorrow morning, 56 by noon. And I think that'll be our highest temperature of the day tomorrow. It'll occur right around lunchtime, and then temperatures will start to trend colder the second half of the day tomorrow. And there'll be some occasional rain around, but I do think there is a break in the rain for at least a couple, 3 hours during the mid-morning time frame. This is noon tomorrow. Again, those temperatures still mild, but chillier air waiting in the wings. That'll move across the area. Again, the second half of the day tomorrow and tomorrow evening. You'll notice by 8 o'clock, temperatures starting to flirt with that freezing mark in Butler, Moon, as well as Washington. It's about this point that a lot of these locations will start to see some mixing taking place across the area. Meantime, it'll likely still be rainy in Indiana, Greensburg, and Connellsville at 8 o'clock, with temperatures still firmly above. Futurecast will start at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, a damp morning commute. There's that break I spoke of that'll be here through the middle part to the latter part of tomorrow morning. Lunchtime or shortly thereafter, the next round of moisture arrives, and it looks like as we head toward the evening commute, most of Allegheny County, Pittsburgh included, obviously, will stay rain through the early evening commutes. However, areas just north and west will likely start to see some mixing taking place, and that mixing probably won't reach Pittsburgh until maybe around 9 o'clock or so tomorrow evening. By 11 o'clock, everyone will see across the area with an eventual changeover to straight snow showers after about 1 o'clock in the morning, and then we'll see a period of snow showers wrapping up very quickly on Saturday morning. This is not going to carry over into the day on Saturday. Maybe through 8, 9 a.m. there'll be some flakes flying, but beyond 9 o'clock Saturday, the precip is out, and we'll just get some colder air filtering in. Here's that estimated transition over to that mixed bag of precipitation. First, for those areas north and west, between 8 and 11 o'clock in the pink shaded area and 11 and 1 in the green shaded area that includes most of Fayette and Greene County will be the last one to change over. So a lot of what you get will be liquid. As a result, you're not going to get nearly as much snow as some other locations. Uniontown probably only around an inch. The blue swath, light blue swath in the middle will be in the 2 to 4 inch range. This is again wrapping up early Saturday morning. Highest totals will be north and west. Newcastle, probably about 6 or 7 inches before all is said and done. And in Pittsburgh, probably about 3 inch would be a good total for snow. As we head into the second half of the weekend, once the storm system moves out, again, the colder air is going to settle in. So much of the weekend, Saturday will be dry, and likewise, I think Sunday will feature some sunshine, but cold temperatures with that fresh, cold air mass in place. 52 tonight, periods of rain. Tomorrow, the midday high, 56. Rain changing to that wintry mix by tomorrow evening, then over to snow after midnight tomorrow night, and wrapping up by 8, 9 o'clock Saturday morning. So Saturday itself, the daytime period should be free of precip, but turning colder and staying that way on Steeler Sunday. There'll be some sunshine, but the high temperature only 20 degrees. Susan.